Hey, Fernando, Brother Dale Moss here. I've got your resume in front of me, and I'm going to be providing some video feedback for you, and I hope this helps you out. I know you've messaged me a few times in email and have asked for help, and you had questions about your resume and it's going on. So maybe these will answer your questions, and if not, we will be meeting up Thursday night to help you out. Okay, so yeah. So let's go ahead and go through these steps and look at the things you got here. So let's look at your name and your email address and phone number. It looks all good. Spacing there, sports administrator, nice. Okay. So 19 years of talent recruiting. Is that really, and I asked the question, do you really have this much experience in recruiting, or do you just have 19 years of experience with the game of soccer? So be careful about what you said. If it's specifically about recruiting, then go ahead and keep it that way. Right now, in regards to your summary and your skills, they're kind of interrelated in some way because this is the most often read portion of any resume. Because if the people that are reading this aren't impressed with what you have to offer, or whoever resume it may be, then they're not going to read any further about this. So you have, as it says in the lesson, about 6 seconds. So 6 seconds to be able to impress these people by providing information about yourself that would highlight you as a person and relate you to the job you're applying for. What I mean by that is that you need to customize your skills and your summary to the job you're applying. So what that means is, are you using words and key phrases from the job posting in your summary and in your skills section? Okay. So with that being said, this summary, you got to start out here with this. You have to definitely show your passion for the sport of soccer and knowing the rules of the play, but also look what to look for in a player and a person. It's helped me develop an eye for good talent and also good people. So are these the things and talents and skills you're using to apply for this job? Are they looking for a recruiter, or are they looking for a statistician to go and watch the games and provide statistics for this company you want to work for? So that's the key thing. So you got to be able to interrelate you and what skills you have to what they're asking you to apply for, or the job you're applying for. So the summary means a movie trailer, excitement, short and sweet, to the point, and invigorating, that they want to go, okay, yep, I like this guy or this person. Now, the thing is that they ask for is to be able to provide an accomplishment, or an example of an accomplishment, or 2 examples of it, while using your skills to describe how you were able to do that. So how did you know how to do this? It says, how do you know the rules of play, but also look into a player as a person. What skills do you know and use that would help you to be able to identify that? And what were the results of it? And this has to be in 2 to 3 sentences long. Okay. Same with the skills here. So I went through your job posting and I highlighted all these things that you've provided, all 6 of these, and none of these match your job posting that you're applying for that I looked at. Okay, so these are great talents and great skills that you might think that are important, that you in your brain or in your mind, but are they the ones that the person that you're applying to use the same words? Because all they want to do is look for keywords and phrases from the job posting that are your same exact skills. You may have the same ones that are in the job posting, but you may word it a little bit different than them. So you may have to change the wording on this a little bit more. Or you see something, you go, oh yeah, that is a skill I have, and you put it in your skills section of your resume. It needs to be customized to help that, okay? So it brings you to the job and it makes you fit into the job when using those kind of type of thing. So hope that helps you out, gives you a better understanding of what you need to be looking for. Just so you know, you're not alone. A lot of people struggle with this. I even myself did when I first started teaching this class and had to start learning how to correct these resumes and read them. I wrote the resume for myself, which I hadn't done for almost 20 years in doing so. So I had to figure out, I had to have somebody proofread it. And it's like an essay where you do your rough draft, and then it's going to take 2 or 3 versions to get to where it needs to be and looks good. All right, so I hope that gives you a general idea. We'll be talking tomorrow night if you still need some help. Like I said, you can make the corrections here, resubmit this for a better grade, and it also will prepare you for finishing up your resume for this week as well.